Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to wear this three-way switch to control these three lighting source. So in the E.E.D lighting source, we need line and neutral to connect to the lighting source, and that neutral is going directly from the source to the lighting source. So here we have this neutral is going from lighting source going directly to this light, and we connect in parallel with the three lighting. So here, and we know that line is from the panel board going to the switch, and as you see, we distribute this lighting to the E.E.D switch from here to the other switch to the third switch. Here we have, this is the three-way switch. So now we will connect this light to the lighting source here. And the neutral is connected also directly to this neutral then we take line from the switch back to the light source. So here we have this light as a line. So the line is connected to the switch number 1. Second lamp. Connect second switch. Then the last one is connect to the last switch. So now our switch is finished. Now this is for this light, and this is for second light, and this switch is for the last light, as you see. Now we will connect to the source. As you see, Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.